Hello kids, in this video I will teach you 3-letter sight words with sentences. He is the man. The is the sight word. I will go and see. See is the sight word. Can I go there? Can is the sight word. It's for you. You is the sight word. How big is the hall? Big is the sight word. Ask your father. Ask is the sight word. A day was good. Day is the sight word. I made this for you. For is the sight word. She was not there. She is the sight word. The books are on table. R is the sight word. Me and my friend went out. And is the sight word. He put down the glass. Put is the sight word. He got out. Out is the sight word. I am 6 years old. Old is the sight words. Use that bottle. Use as the sight word. Who are you? Who is the sight word. Thank you kids for learning with me. Bye bye. See you in the next video.